In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson XP-411 and XP-214 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Okay, before you download this resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while all of your antivirus including Windows real-time protection and the tamper protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, you can download the resetter, the link on comments. After you download the file, you can just right-click on the file and select Extract All. Open the Recital folder here and run the adjustment programs. For the first time only, you need a password that you can get on the password.txt file here. Then you can click Accept. In here, you can directly select particular adjustment mode button and select Was Ink Pad Counter and click OK. Now, you can tick Main Pad Counter and FL Box Counter and click Check button. After that, you can click Initialization button. After the resetter works, you can just click Finish and you can turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. If you encounter error, you can repeat the resetting process and try to moving your USB printer into another port available on your computers. That's all tutorial how to reset Epson XP-411 and XP-214 using resetter or adjustment programs. Hope this video helpful for you.